Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this setsnailco that I purchased. So it was just a little order. I actually already opened up everything just to see and make sure I received everything, so I had to reorganize the glitter because it came a little discombobulated and my OCD couldn't have it. So I purchased some of these C-curve nails. I love that nice deep C-curve, and I can't get it with putting on the product or trying to put the clamp on it. Anything that I do doesn't really come out well, so I just ended up purchasing hers. This was really nice. I'm gonna try to have the prices if they don't have it here. Let me see. I don't think it does. They don't have the prices on here. I'll put the prices down at the bottom, but I think these were like less than 10 bucks. If not 10, they were less than $10 for this, and they're like 500 in there. I got this. These were on sale, I believe. It's set here. This is so cute. I have to find somewhere I can put these in. Then I got these two nail drills. One is a large barrel, and this one I believe is a fine. This one is an organizer. I was buying it to put some of my stones that I had bought, but it looked so different for some reason. It looked really different in the like online how it looked. For some reason I thought it was like the ones that that gel nails had, the ones that like had the little compartment inside, like after you opened it, it came with the stuff inside. For some reason, I don't know why I thought it looked like that. This was like $8. That I remember, because when I opened it I was like, I don't really think this is worth the whole $8. But I'm gonna use it for now on what I have. But I don't know, I thought it looked a lot different than what I saw online from what I'm seeing in person. So yeah. And then last but not least was these set right here of glitters. So they came like a little discombobulated, which is normal obviously if it has to be shipped over here. But I did notice that this one here, that's why I put it up at the top. Okay, so it was just loose. I was like trying to keep closing it, and it was just getting the glitter away. So let me just put them organized in there because it was messing up. So okay. So last but not least, these were the glitter sets. I think this was $10. I think they were also on sale. So I liked these. For some reason I think they were bigger, but these are pretty cool. I love these colors. They're really, really nice. The only thing, this one was open when it was in here, so some of the glitter got outside of it, but that's not bad. It was okay. But I can't wait to use some of these. These are really, really nice colors. These are set of 24. So I got this organizer for my stones because I have them in here. So I'm going to try to take some of these out and place them in here, which I'm going to need obviously more organizers because this is going to be too small for all the ones that I have. For now, we'll see what I'll use it for. And then I have my tips. I have this glitter set here and these two. I think it came out to like $50 or something for the whole thing, and that's what I got. I think these were 10. This was 8. This was 10. This was about 10, and I think these were on sale for like 5 or 3 maybe something. So yeah, I can't wait to use these things. If you want, please go and check out setsnailco on Instagram. She has her own website, and go and check her out. I can't wait to play. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.